guys, how's it going? Today we're doing some pinstriping for my little online shop. That's the victim. We're gonna do something more traditional today. Not too traditional, but we keep it simple. Join me on the journey and see what happens. there we go, guys. All done for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you can pick something up from looking it up closely on this design. It's slightly different than what I normally do. It's not exactly old school and it's not completely scrolls. It's kind of combination of both. I've done it using only the Wizard Vortex by Mac, developed by Steve Shigeika, very talented guy in America. Well, anyway, that was the brush. The brush was Wizard Vortex #1. Paint, as always, is one shot. That's what I use. I'm not being paid to say that. I just use them because I good. Simple as that. Well, anyway, guys, if you like that piece, if you enjoy this, if you want to own this very piece, head on to my online shop, which is cambridgepinstriping.com. Go to shop section over there. Put the link below the video as well. Once again, cambridgepinstriping.com, and you can find this piece and a couple of other bits I've got for sale as well in my little online shop, and I ship it to you wherever you are in the world, obviously for a shipping charge as well. There you go. If you enjoy this, head on to my little website, have a look what else is going on over there. If you would like a piece similar like this, but maybe a different color scheme, let me know. You know, we can work it out. I'm happy to take commissions. I'm open for that as well. So that's it for today, guys. Nice and simple and easy. Where's my bee? There it is. Thank you very much for watching. Have a bee, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers. I need more now.